How to mute account on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mute account on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. So basically we are always like muted chats or videos chats or something like this. Now I'm gonna show you how to mute an account. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on your profile. Like you see, I don't have no followers, I have only one following. All I need to do is click on her profile, and I already following her. Now click on following and click on mute, and click on mute posts and stories. And now Instagram won't let you know them when they are posts or post stories. And this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.